Welcome to Tesla Vision, the channel that explores the fascinating world of electricity and groundbreaking inventions. If you're a fan of science, engineering, or just curious about the history and future of electricity, then you're in the right place. We're committed to producing high-quality content that's both informative and entertaining. From Tesla's groundbreaking experiments to history and the future of electricity and inventions, we cover it all. But we need your support to keep this channel growing. So if you enjoy our videos, please make sure to hit that subscribe button, leave a like, and comment on the video. Your support means the world to us and helps us to continue producing quality content. Don't forget to turn on notifications so you never miss an update from us. Thank you for joining us on this journey, and we hope you enjoy the ride. Let's explore the incredible world of electricity together. The 20th century is often referred to as the Age of Electricity, a time of unprecedented technological advancements and innovations that fundamentally altered the way humanity lived and worked. It saw the widespread adoption of electricity for household and industrial use, which was made possible by the development of the alternating current, AC, motor, and the invention of the transistor. These transformative inventions not only made electricity more accessible, but also paved the way for modern electronics, including computers, smartphones, and other devices that rely on electricity. This essay will explore the significant role of electricity and electronics in shaping the 20th century, with a focus on the AC motor, the transistor, and their subsequent impact on society. The AC motor and Nikola Tesla. Before the widespread use of alternating current, AC electricity, the world relied on direct current, DC power systems, pioneered by Thomas Edison. While DC systems were effective for short-range transmission, they were inefficient for long-distance power distribution. As cities and industries grew, the limitations of DC power systems became more evident. Enter Nikola Tesla, a Serbian-American inventor who would revolutionize the world of electricity. Tesla developed the AC motor in the late 19th century, which allowed for the transmission of electrical power over long distances with minimal loss of energy. His invention was based on the principle of electromagnetic induction, which made it possible to generate and transmit electricity using varying voltage levels. This, in turn, enabled power to be distributed to rural areas, fueling the expansion of industries and improving the quality of life for millions of people. The AC motor's potential was quickly recognized by influential businessman and inventor George Westinghouse, who saw the technology as a means to challenge Edison's monopoly on power distribution. The ensuing war of the currents between Edison and Westinghouse ultimately led to the widespread adoption of AC systems and the decline of DC power. The success of AC systems can be seen in the creation of the first major AC power plant at Niagara Falls in 1895, which would serve as a model for the expansion of electrical infrastructure across the United States and around the world. The AC motor's potential was quickly recognized by influential businessman and inventor George Westinghouse, who saw the technology as a means to challenge Edison's monopoly on power distribution. The ensuing war of the currents between Edison and Westinghouse ultimately led to the widespread adoption of AC systems and the decline of DC power. The success of AC systems can be seen in the creation of the first major AC power plant at Niagara Falls in 1895, which would serve as a model for the expansion of electrical infrastructure across the United States and around the world. The transistor, revolutionizing modern electronics. The mid-20th century saw the invention of the transistor, a groundbreaking device that would pave the way for modern electronics. Developed by John Bardeen, Walter Brattain, and William Shockley at Bell Labs in 1947, the transistor was a semiconductor device capable of amplifying and switching electronic signals. It revolutionized the electronics industry by replacing the bulky and less reliable vacuum tubes used in early electronic devices. Transistors enabled the miniaturization of electronic components, which in turn led to the development of smaller, more efficient, and more affordable devices. The first commercially available transistor radio, the Regency TR-1, was released in 1954, making portable electronics accessible to the masses. The invention of the integrated circuit, IC, in the late 1950s further revolutionized the electronics industry as it allowed for the combination of multiple transistors and other components on a single silicon chip. This development led to the creation of increasingly complex electronic devices, such as calculators and early computers. Impact on society and industry. The widespread adoption of electricity and the development of modern electronics transformed various aspects of 20th century society. The accessibility of electricity in households revolutionized daily life, as people could now use electric appliances like refrigerators, washing machines, and vacuum cleaners. These conveniences freed up time for leisure activities and improved overall quality of life. In industry, the availability of electricity and the development of advanced electronic devices accelerated production processes and increased efficiency. Automated assembly lines, powered by electricity and controlled by electronic systems, became the standard for manufacturing, enabling companies to produce goods at a scale never before possible. The use of computers and other electronic devices in offices streamlined administrative tasks, improved communication, and allowed for the storage and processing of vast amounts of data. These advancements led to increased productivity and economic growth, contributing to the rise of the global economy. The AC motor and the transistor also facilitated the development of various industries, such as telecommunications, computing, and entertainment. The invention of the transistor radio, as mentioned earlier, made portable entertainment accessible to millions of people. Telecommunications networks, powered by electricity and utilizing electronic components, expanded rapidly during the 20th century, enabling instant communication across vast distances. Computing technology advanced rapidly during the second half of the 20th century, thanks to the development of the transistor and the integrated circuit. These innovations paved the way for the creation of the first mainframe computers, personal computers, and ultimately, the Internet. The widespread use of computers and the Internet has transformed nearly every aspect of modern life, from the way we work and learn to the way we socialize and consume information. Environmental and social challenges. While the widespread adoption of electricity and the development of modern electronics brought numerous benefits, they also presented new challenges. The generation of electricity often relied on the burning of fossil fuels, which contributed to air pollution and climate change. Additionally, the extraction and processing of the raw materials needed for the production of electronic devices have led to environmental degradation and social conflict in some regions. These challenges have prompted a shift towards more sustainable sources of energy, such as solar, wind, and hydroelectric power. Innovations in energy storage, such as the development of advanced battery technologies, have also helped to address some of the challenges associated with the widespread use of electricity. Furthermore, efforts to promote recycling and reduce the environmental impact of electronic waste have gained traction in recent years as society becomes increasingly aware of the need for more sustainable practices. Conclusion. The 20th century was a transformative period in human history, marked by the widespread adoption of electricity and the development of modern electronics. The AC motor, developed by Nikola Tesla, revolutionized power distribution and made electricity accessible to millions of people. The invention of the transistor by John Bardeen, Walter Brattain, and William Shockley paved the way for a new era of electronic devices, including computers and smartphones. These innovations transformed various aspects of society, from daily life and industry to telecommunications and computing. However, they also presented new challenges, such as environmental degradation and social conflict, prompting the need for more sustainable practices. Overall, the 20th century serves as a testament to the transformative power of electricity and electronics, and their lasting impact on the course of human history. Well, this was everything for today's video. Please consider subscribing, leaving a like, and commenting on the video since it helps the channel grow. Thank you for watching and see you next time.